once you get there and you have your appointment, you have to make sure na printed out na tong mga forms na to, and you have to pay the exact fee, which is 610 Philippine pesos. And basically, that's it. You just have now to wait for about 3 to 4 weeks. Minsan, mas matagal depending on the holidays and of course, kung gaano kadami yung nagre-request. But definitely, around 3 to 4 weeks, yung turnaround time kung kailan mo ma-receive yung NIE mo. And then, you can start collecting your other documents for your digital nomad visa. But basically, I would really suggest na ito yung maging first step mo bago ka pa kumuha ng kahit ano pang document. So the consulate emails you your NIE certificate and you just have to like print it out kasi kailangan mo yun for your DNV application. And again, if you have any other questions about maybe sa step-by-step na to or may hindi ka alam paano i-fill out, don't forget to just message me. We also have a Facebook group where you can ask, your questions out there. People are really helpful and they can give you real insights then as well. Or you can just, email contact@help.ateinspain.com and I will make sure to get back to you within 6 to 12 hours. Then pala na kailangan yung name mo and yung birthday mo na nasa NIE certificate ay tama. So I just wanna put that out there because there are some instances na magkakaroon ng error doon or misspelled stuff. So make sure na i-double check mo agad yun pagkakuha mo para may time ka pa to correct it before your DNV application. And if you want the full DIY guide, don't forget to visit ateinspain.com or, book your free consultation call then with the link on the comment section. So again, thank you so much and I hope this helps and see you here soon in Spain. Ciao!